Are you curious about the secret behind IKEA's success? It's not just about affordable furniture, it's also about the power of their food. Join us as we uncover the IKEA Food Effect and how this Swedish restaurant strategy drives furniture sales. You won't believe the numbers. Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to talk about one of the most well-known furniture retailers in the world, IKEA. But did you know that IKEA is also a major player in the food industry? Ingvar Kamprad, the founder of IKEA, started out selling matchbooks, pens and pencils as a 17-year-old boy in Sweden. He slowly ventured into the furniture business and started selling pieces from local carpenters. With IKEA's headquarters located in a rural part of Sweden, reaching urban customers in the 1940s was a huge challenge. Kamprad set up workshops to display these furniture pieces outside urban districts to attract customers. That rural venture slowly expanded over the next 80 years, and today, IKEA is a billion-dollar furniture selling giant. IKEA is the largest furniture retail brand globally, making around $42 billion in revenue in 2021 across its 458 stores worldwide. But, a lesser-known fact is that IKEA is also the 10th largest food seller outside the US and ranks among the top 50 food chains globally. That's right, IKEA is not just a furniture store but also a popular food destination. IKEA opened its first self-service cafeteria in 1958 with only coffee and cold dishes. Since then, it has expanded to serve not just hot snacks and a la carte dishes but also offers packaged, frozen and refrigerated food and beverage items. About half of the items on IKEA's menu are Scandinavian, and the chain is particularly known for its meatballs, lingonberry jam and salmon. It is estimated that IKEA sells around 1 billion meatballs per year. But why would a furniture retailer sell food in the first place? And why would anyone eat at IKEA? Well, IKEA's food business wasn't a random fluke but a deliberate strategy to drive their furniture sales. Most IKEA stores are huge warehouses located on the city outskirts. These stores are naturally far away from any local restaurants or food chains. So, the initial idea was to provide food to customers so they can hang around in the store longer without having to go outside for a snack. These food centers, in the beginning, weren't meant to be profit centers. Their main goal was to increase footfall and extend their customers' visits. But today, IKEA's food business makes $2.5 billion in sales annually. A study done on IKEA's Hyderabad store in India found that around 32% of visitors came to IKEA to get food, and IKEA's food business is able to drive around 5 to 15% of its furniture sales. This shows that IKEA's restaurants are an integral part of its business and definitely here to stay. IKEA's external innovation lab, Space.io, is in the process of creating healthy, plant-based and sustainable food options, fast food of the future. But, this is limited to culinary research and is not on IKEA's menu, at least for now. In conclusion, IKEA's strategy of incorporating food into their business model has proven to be a great success. The company's affordable and tasty food options drive footfall and sales in their furniture business. Whether IKEA takes its food business to the next level or not, we'll have to wait and see. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more interesting content like this. Let us know what you think about IKEA's strategy in the comments below.